Bonjour! 3 days, 17 volunteers, 1 Asian Chinese building. Here, in Pingyao, Shanxi Dongquan Village.
Dongquan Village is a charming and authentic fragment of the Pingyao cultural landscape. It provides a valuable perspective on the rural life that historically sustained the ground merchant city, offering visitors a peaceful escape and a chance to see well-preserved traditional architecture in a genuine setting.
From August 1st to August 13th, the 2025 Build Heritage Conservation Voluntary Work Camp and Generation Z Construction Workshop officially launched. During the program, 6 French volunteers and 1 Mexican volunteer will join 10 Chinese volunteers in Pingyao.
In the village, there is a cafe called Solitude Cafe, which was restored in 2024 as a volunteer project.
The next phase of restoration work will commence in Houji Village. Can't wait to see how it turns out.